Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to exchange books on Audible. First, it's important to understand Audible's generous return policy. You can typically exchange a book if you purchased it within the last 365 days. To qualify, you must also be an active Audible member. Keep in mind that while the policy is flexible, frequent or excessive returns might prompt Audible to review your account, so use this feature thoughtfully. Exchanging a book is quite straightforward. Begin by visiting the Audible website using a desktop computer or a mobile browser, as the app doesn't support this feature directly. Once logged in, go to your account details and then select Purchase History. Find the book you want to exchange in your list of purchases. Next to the title, you'll see a Return Title button. Click it and simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your exchange. When you exchange a book, you'll usually receive an Audible credit back to your account, which you can then use for a new title. Remember, you're exchanging one title for another, or for a credit, not getting a refund in cash. This policy is designed for when a book doesn't meet your expectations, not as a way to listen to books for free. If you face any difficulties during the process or have a unique situation, don't hesitate to reach out to Audible's customer service for assistance. To summarize, Audible's exchange policy is a fantastic benefit for members, allowing you to ensure satisfaction with your audiobooks. Always use this feature responsibly and within the spirit of the policy. A good practice is to listen to the sample of a book before buying it, which can help reduce the need for exchanges. Remember, the exchange process happens on the Audible website. Enjoy the flexibility this offers, ensuring every audiobook you choose is one you truly love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.